Okay, good day. My name is Ken George, and this is a back office training and introduction for the Meshico food truck loyalty app. And when you first, I sent you an email this morning where it has the link for you to be able to log into the back office. And then you also have the username and password, which are the same. You use that to log in, and once you do, you'll see this page here. You can disregard all this stuff here in the middle of the page and just come over here to the left side, and you're really going to just focus here where you have these arrows all the way really down to event calendar. So first and foremost, when you click on customers, it says manage customers, and once you do that, this is going to show you all of your customers that have favorited your app. So that's what you want to encourage your customers to do. Let me just go ahead and show you. Here is your app, and I'm sure you know how to find this. When your customers come here, they've got the entire app and all this information. Yay, that's great. And you want them to click on the button here where it says favorite, the heart. Once they do that, this is going to pop up. All they need to do is click submit and then confirm. Once they do that, you can see it's been successfully added. And now, whenever they log into the app, right here on the home page of the app, it says favorites. So right there, they can simply click on that, and then they'll be able to find your app right there on their home page without having to go through and search. But either way that they find your app, either way they find it, when they come in, they click that favorite button, and once they do, they are added to your customer list right here. That being said, in fact, if we back out and if we come back in, you can see that I literally just did that, and now I have been added to your back office as well. So, that being said, you've got some symbols over here that I want to take you through. The first one here is so that you can send an individual push notification. So, any message that you want to send to just one of your customers, you simply find that customer in the list of customers, and when you do, you simply fill this out and send them a message. So the name of the message, title of the message, the short description, and then right here is where you type your message in, and then you click send. Once you do, that message is instantly sent directly to the person that you have selected to send it to. So that's this first box right here. The second box here, this is different. This is actually going to show you everything that has been sent to this customer from you. Now, initially when someone downloads the app, they're going to get a welcome message from the app, and then any other messages that you've sent to that person are simply going to be going right from there. And they're going to be kept right here in this space. So you'll have a record of all of your communications with each individual that is a part of your customer list. This one here is actually a calendar. If you want to be able to send a reminder to that person, you can come in here. You can click on the date, the 30th. Again, give it a title. So just, whatever that's going to be, and then here's where you can type in your description, and there's no limits here. You can make your description longer than just what you see here by just typing in your description here, the date the message is going to go out, the date the message will end, and then, so if we go ahead and fill this out, let's see, this is a message for a future date. The date, let's see, and then this is going to, we're going to have this available from 10 o'clock in the morning until 2 o'clock is fine, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We click submit. Once we do that, then it's going to ask us here when we, how soon do we want to notify them? So if this is actually a date, let's switch this. Let's make this date on the 29th. So, and we got submit. Okay, so this date is happening in the future, and if we want to notify this person 2 days before, then we can notify them 2 days before by push notification, by email, and automatically they will get whatever message we type in here. So be ready, be prepared for the upcoming event. And then we click update, and now this information is all set to be sent out 2 days before directly to this one person. Now, I don't know how much need you're going to have for sending messages to one person, but if you want to send messages to the entire group, you're going to be able to do that as well, and I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. You can also create different subscription groups. So if you've got some people that are your regular customers, and if you've got some people that are only coming to the Pineapple Festival, then you can create certain tags. So I would say here, Pineapple Festival Okay, so that's one of our tags. Regular customers, and that's another. So now someone can select if they want to get messages that the regular customers are going to get, or if they're going to get messages just about the Pineapple Festival. Those are tags. Delete these. And that again is how you would send out subscriptions. Now, this is your fan wall, and for your fan wall, this is where you're going to come whenever someone sends out a message, or not a message, but inside of your app, there's a tab called Fan Wall. And when they click on that link and they leave a message, we need to get your email address here in this spot. I'll get that from Jeremy and get this put into this spot right here. That way, whenever someone sends a message, what'll happen is it's going to show up in the app right here. And then for you to make this message live, you need to click on this button right here to make it go from deactive to active. Now, if you look inside of the app, this message from Jeremy will be live inside of the app. So we just need to get your email address here, and anytime someone puts a message inside of the fan wall, whatever email we put here will get a notification saying, hey, go to the back office and check because someone has left you a message. If you like the message, click the button to make it active. If you don't like the message, then you can just leave it inactive, or you can delete it just by clicking the delete button. And so you've got that sort of power. This is your image gallery. All of these pictures are already available inside of your gallery. If you would like to add additional pictures, you can come in here and click the button that says Add Multiple. In doing so, you can simply click this button here, which will open up your computer, and then you can pick a picture that's on your computer. And now that picture will be part of everything. So it's giving you an opportunity to add 10 pictures at a time, and then down at the bottom here you can click the submit button, and then those images will be made available inside of your app. They will all then be right here. From that point, let me just skip ahead really quickly. Click on settings, and if you go to your home screen, inside of your home screen, you can see your gallery is listed right here. And up on the left here, it says Assign and Change Functions. So if you click that button, this will actually allow you to access the gallery, which is here. Click on Gallery, and here are all of the pictures that are inside of the gallery. So if you add additional pictures to the gallery, you're going to want to come to this spot here, and then just click these buttons. And you simply click that button, click Save, and those pictures will now be a part of your gallery once you come down here and click the button for Submit. So we just went over, your customers, creating subscription groups, which, more than likely when you're sending out your push notifications, you just want them to go out to everybody, so then you wouldn't need to do anything here. Your fan wall, we're going to go ahead and add your email here so that Anytime a message is put in through your fan wall, you'll get a notification to come here and okay that message to allow it to be in the app. We just showed you how to add pictures to the photo gallery by clicking Add Multiple and then just clicking them one at a time to go into your computer and upload those pictures. Right here is your website list. So if you want to add some links to websites to your app, just get with Jeremy and let him know, because we would need to update your home page in order for that to happen. But all you would need to do is come in here, click Add New, put in the title of the website, the URL. Is there an app icon? So like if it's Facebook, then you want to go ahead and click on this here, and you want to upload like the image for Facebook. And that way you actually have a thumbnail that is associated with it. And then you would click here to make it active. You can have however many websites you would like to have linked to your app. However, again, we would need to change your home page. So if you want to do something like that, let Jeremy know, and then we can go ahead and add that directly to the home page of your app, and you would be able to do so. Your regular push notifications are here in this section called Campaigns. So underneath Notification, that would be for push notifications. For you to send a brand new push notification, all you would do here is click on Add New. You would give it a name, the date you want to send the message. So let's go ahead and send out a message. So we're going to say something like meet us at the Pineapple Festival. And then the date, let's say the Pineapple Festival is the 22nd. The time we want this to go out is 10 o'clock in the morning. Here, underneath reward level, all you want to do is you want to... Oh, no, it's not what I wanted to do. Wait, go back. Okay, we want to click All. For locations, click All. And then the start date. If this is going to be going out on the 22nd, we've got the 22nd, and then how long do you want this to sit inside of their message box? So actually, if the event is, let's say, the 22nd, let's say we want it to stay in their box until the 29th, but we want this message to go out on the 17th. How's that? Okay, and then this is where we're going to have a short description. Meet us at the Pineapple Festival, and then down below you can type in your message here. So you can say, hey folks, come out to the Pineapple Festival where we will be serving authentic Mexican cuisine. Hope to see you there. Okay, we scroll all the way down to the bottom, and that's the message we want to send, and at that point we can click Submit. Now, if you actually had an image and your message was typed out on that image, you could simply upload the image. You could upload the image here, and you could have it go out that way. But you click the active button, you click Submit, and then you can see here's your message. And to send this message out right now, you can click this button here, and it will push the message out right now to all of your customers that are listed in your customer list. Again, I don't want to leave this here, I want to delete this, but that is how you can send out a push notification. Right here is where you have your email campaign, and we have an entire video that shows you how to work this program. Write down this web address. You want to go to www.appadminlogin.com. It is appadminlogin.com. When you get here, you've got a button here that says Video Tutorials. And then right here, you've got a gallery that literally lists, here's a video that shows you just how to do push notifications. Here is a video that shows you how to do the store locator. We talked about adding a bunch of websites. Here is the video here that shows you how to do exactly that. The email program, here it is right here. Watch the video and it'll show you exactly how to do the email program. But that is located right here under campaigns. So far we've gone through customers, we've gone through campaigns, and then beneath features here we've got email forms. And right now we do not have an email form in your app, but what this allows us to do is it allows us to have like a survey form where you can have a form inside of your app. So if you wanted to survey your customers and find out maybe what they thought of your service, or if there was something that they would like to see you have, then we could literally put a form together. Again, since there isn't one inside of your app right now, I'm not going to show you how to do it, but if you wanted something added, we need to add it to the home page of the app. So just get with Jeremy, let him know you want to do something like that, and we can go ahead and put that together. And then as far as how you work it, again, there's a video here in the app admin login that shows you exactly how to work that. The information tab, we've actually got your menu listed in here. Okay, and what took place here is to add a, let's see here. So like right here is what we would have clicked. And we give it a title, and we have to decide. We're going to have a description. So the description is going to go down here in this center area here. Up top here is where we're going to get the banner that we just had. And we pick out the background color. And then all of this stuff here is just like Microsoft Word. So what we did is we went ahead and clicked this button under Picture, and we uploaded the image that you had provided us of your menu. So we go in here to Edit. And as you can see, it's a menu, description. We uploaded this image here. And then we've got your menu that is down below. We make it active. We click Submit. So that's already done for you. There's really nothing to do unless you want to have something else added to the list. You may or may not have that image to be able to upload into the top. But if so, you can simply follow the instructions. If not, just shoot Jeremy an email and we can go ahead and take care of adding it for you in no time. Right here is the link for the loyalty program. And the one loyalty piece that we have inside of your app right now is the punch card. So when you click on that, you can see that we have a punch card item here called Free Menu Item. So let's click on the Edit button. And what you see here, it's called Free Menu Item. Right now it's set up where if the customer comes in and makes 9 purchases, this is what it looks like before you've punched it. This is what it looks like after you've punched it. So once it's been punched 9 times, you see down here, buy 9 items, get 1 free. So we need to actually change this to buy 9 items, $5 or more, get 1 free item. Buy 9 items, $5 or more, get 1 free item. Then down on the bottom, we make that active. We click the Submit button, and now that is live inside of your app. Now, when the customer comes to you or to one of your employees and says, "Okay, I want to use my stamp card," the password to trigger the stamp, the password is 10, all lowercase TEN. When you punch that in, you determine the number of stamps that you're going to give them. You determine which is the number of punches, and then that's what you're going to use that's going to punch the card. TEN. And there's something, I believe they're actually working on the stamp card right now. So if you use this this morning and it's not working for you, just get with Jeremy. That's something that should be fixed, if not later on today, then tomorrow. But it's going to be fixed in no time at all. We also have a stamp card. I know you guys have been talking about the stamp card, and if this is something that you're going to use, again, there's a video inside of the app admin login specifically about the stamp card that shows you exactly how to do that. From there, let's see, we've got one-touch calling. So this is the call us button. If you want to have more than one phone number, you simply type the phone number up top, give the phone number a description here, and that'll automatically show up inside of the app. For store locator, right now what we have set up is the address that we have. We've got this address here for the store locator. It's my understanding that Jeremy has some new information as far as what we want to have for the locations. Once we get that, we'll go ahead and put that information in as well. I should be talking to him this morning as far as getting that information. But this was very simple. We put the address in up top. The latitude and longitude automatically fill in. And then we've got the name, the phone number, the email address, the address. We've got a picture located right here that is up there at the top, and then we click active. Now, it's my understanding that you are in a certain location on certain days of the week. So what we would do under location description, we would simply go ahead and put in Mondays and Thursdays. You're going to find us here at this address, and then we would add another location and give another address. Again, in the app admin login website, there is a video here that shows you specifically how to use that particular feature. Next thing I want to show you is the home screen. And for the home screen, there's not much for you to do because we've already got this set up. And if you want to change anything or have anything changed, let Jeremy know, and then we can add that information to the screen and make that change for you. But again, when we click on this button here to assign the functions, you see we've got call us here. When we click on the call us, here's the functionality. Okay, and then we've got that saved. And so for your Facebook, here's the web address it's going to. It's the website function. The name of it is Facebook. We click save, etc. So this is all set up for you already. And all you need to do is let us know if you want to have something added or subtracted. We'll go ahead and get that done for you. This here is the last thing to show, and this is the event calendar. And for the event calendar, I'm sure you know where you're going to be, when you're going to be. It would be a great idea if you know that you've got something coming up on, and I was playing with this earlier, so literally, if you've got an event on that particular day, type in the title, a description, the date, and then when does it start, when does it end, click submit. And as you do, if you want to send a message out to everybody, again, we went through this before, how many days before the event do you want to send out a message? Okay, it's going to be a push notification and or an email. And then what is that notification going to be? And then click add, and you can have that notification go out. So with your business, I would think that this would be great for you. Right inside of the app, there is a button that says calendar. And so for you to be able to come in and put all of your dates of where you're going to be and when you're going to be there so that that information shows up in the app, I think that would be super helpful for you, for your app, as well as for your customers that download the app. So that's just a quick, short 24-minute video to take you through your back office and show you where everything is and how everything works. If you have any questions going forward, you can reach out to Jeremy. But also, again, you've got specific videos here on the www.appadminlogin.com. And that is going to give you access to all of these videos here. that you can come in and be able to refer to as far as giving yourself a little reminder. But of course, you've got this video here, which is exactly 25 minutes. All right, have a good day and welcome to the Loyalty Central family.